Hey there, welcome to Koyo Creates, where we turn ordinary ideas into extraordinary creations, from fun DIY crafts and eye popping balloon decor to insider travel hacks that save you big. We've got something for everyone, so grab your glue gun, your sense of adventure, and let's make some magic together. Yay! Okay. Hi guys. Koyo here again. Hey, hey, yeah, Koyo. I decided to give you guys stylish today. What do you guys think? Is it giving stylish? The only answer is yes. So if you have no as an answer, please exit using the back door. The front door is not available for haters. Okay, jokes. Of course, you know me. I'm always here for tips and tips alone. This one is for people who are just arriving Canada. So if you've arrived and you have like 10 houses in Canada, you have blown, this video is not for you. It's not for you. It's for the I just got here. I just got here. It's for us. Okay. Well, when you get to Canada, most times you've used all your money for proof of funds to buy your tickets, to do this, and then you have responsibilities, right? And so furnishing your apartment or getting things in your house can be a bit of a hassle, right? And so you sometimes you think of just, getting one mattress, putting it on the floor. I don't know whether people do that. I'm just assuming. Or whatever it is your options are. But there are better ways and easier ways to get things done. I have one, two, three different places that I go to help elevate my apartment and make me feel like I'm living a life of comfort. Right? The first one is our obvious choice, which is Dollarama. At Dollarama, you can get everything in terms of household things. You can get mini decorations. You can get your bowls, your plates, your cups. You can get napkins, many things that you need for your kitchen, for your bathroom, and little accessories here and there. Now, for Dollarama, the price range is between $0 to $5. Well, 0 point something to $5, meaning it's quite affordable compared to many other places. While the quality, I would give it a 60%. Most of those things you don't need the highest quality of napkins, right? Or toilet brush. So buy at your own level of what you feel much more comfortable with, or you're at your own level of comfort. So that's the first place. Now the second place, it's a bit tricky, but it's Walmart. I know, Walmart. Walmart too has some really affordable things that you can get in your for your house, in terms of like for my house, I got a mirror, and that mirror I got at Walmart, and it just added some, I don't know, life to my apartment, some pizzazz, some oomph. So if you want like those little things, you can get that, or your clock. There's so many nice things you can get on Walmart. The third one, I'm going to do it like this. What they call that? Na collabo. So it's either you're doing thrift store or you're doing Facebook, because the things you get on Facebook are mostly thrifted, right? So meaning that somebody may have used it before you, so they're not brand new. So for the thrift store, the actual physical store, you can go to Goodwill. That's the one I'm really conversant with. I'm not really sure of the other ones because that one is popular here in Alberta. You can get furniture for as low as $10. I'm not even joking. I'm not capping. $10, nice furniture, because they don't just take rubbish there, right? You can't just go and dump your stuff there. It has to be nice quality stuff. You can get your TV stand. You can get wall frames. You can get clothes. Well, if you want to buy clothes too, you can get clothes. And you can get so many like things like this, right? Okay, so most of the things most of the places that I've gone, that's Goodwill stores that I've gone here. Things are very easy to access. They're big enough for you to select things, and you can even earn points. Go back and use those points to reduce your cost. Sometimes you can take as much as 40 different pieces of things and not even spend up to $50. So, but then look at what you buy well to ensure that what you buy is good, because I'm not sure that you can make returns, right? And the second is Facebook. There's this aversion to Facebook Marketplace because some people think that it's just filled with scammers. Since I got to Canada, I've only gotten good things on Facebook Marketplace. So how do I do that? Due diligence. Don't just go somewhere and because somebody told you that you can buy stuff there, you just see somebody selling, I don't know, a TV for $20 and you say, yeah, good deal. Like when something is too good to be true, it's mostly too good to be true. So please use patience, farabale. So don't just take their words for it, right? You have to do your own due diligence before you order. Check that the person has been on Facebook for a while. Because if you just joined 2024, yes, 2025, like yesterday, and you want to sell today, sometimes they're scammers. I'm not. Everybody may not be, but most times, yeah. Because Facebook, a long time ago, Facebook opened, so it's a bit wonky that somebody just joined yesterday. Now, the other part of it, check their reviews. Some people have been selling on Facebook Marketplace for a while. So check their reviews. What are people saying? Are they legit? Do they sell fake stuff? That's another angle. And then lastly, go and get the thing by yourself, meaning go and check it out. Ask them, can I see it? See it. And if it's something you like, pick it up. You have no idea how many things I got from Facebook to furnish my house and the cost. Like I furnished my entire house for under $500, and this includes TV, dining, chairs, high chair for my baby, for my toddler, high stools, couch, two bed frames. In fact, two bed frames and a baby cot. Everything I'm mentioning under 500, and most of them are so close to new. Some of them they bought it and the children never used them, or they bought the bed and nobody used them. So there's options and there's always ways around different things, and furnishing your house and settling down in Canada or anywhere else in the world. So please don't put yourself under any pressure. Everything good comes in its time. And God, who has brought you to a new land, is sufficient to keep you and to make everything you need available. So, as usual, besties, I have, as I rub your back, you rub my back. I'm just teasing, but please like, share, subscribe, anything you can do to push our channel. I love you. I'm so grateful. Thank you for watching. Yay!